Okay, how are you all? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. So today we are starting our classes. We are starting our sessions on WordPress. I have used this screen. Welcome to WordPress. This is WordPress.com. So you might be asking, what is WordPress? WordPress is a CMS or a content management system. You can use it to develop websites without knowledge of coding. You don't need coding knowledge to make a website. So basically, let me give you an example of CMSs. So I've started with WordPress, but when I go to Google and I type examples of CMS platforms, you'll see that we have WordPress, we have Mangetto, Squarespace, Drupal, Wix, we have Shopify, we have Joomla, and very many more. I think you can see they are all here. There are very many, but the most popular one is WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla. These are the most common used, and then Shopify when it comes to e-commerce platforms. Though in WordPress we also have e-commerce platforms by using what we call a plugin. I will explain to you what plugins are called WooCommerce. We shall reach there. Now, someone might be asking us why we are choosing WordPress. Why? Because WordPress is really easy. Is really easy to use. Let me put advantages of using WordPress. Let's just use. Okay. Let me try to see benefits. Okay. I think it is okay here. Flexible and adaptable for changing needs. See, when you use WordPress, you can make any changes anytime. Okay, no need of again getting into the code. What you just go see what you need to remove. You remove it and change it right away. You can also add in other things just right away. No need to hassle. Then also it is user friendly for beginners. I know some of you are beginners. You are going to see how friendly it is in using WordPress. Anyone can use it. Then themes offer multiple options. We shall see what themes are. Themes, they like appearance, how this website looks like. That is a theme, how it appears. Then we shall also see plugins. Plugins, these they add functionalities to our website. We might be having a website and then you want to add any functionality, you can get a plugin. You can also develop your own plugin. Basically you have to use PHP. So plugins, you can add in anything that you really want. I'll give you some examples. Then sites rank is WordPress sites rank high. Yes, we have around 180 something millions WordPress sites. So we have a lot of websites using WordPress, and then when you're using WordPress, when it comes to SEO or search engine optimization, WordPress sites normally rank higher because they have good plugins that help in search engine optimization. Example, we have Optimizer, we have Rank Math, and the most commonly used is called Yoast plugin. We shall see all that, I think, towards the end of the classes. Then WordPress sites are mobile responsive. There's when you develop website, let's say using PHP, let's say using let's say JavaScript, you find that when you view it on your phone, it's not really responsive, but when you're using it on your laptop, it is very fine. some of you are going to try and drop some sites using maybe HTML for example, then you see. Then WordPress sites have a built-in blog. A blog like you can post in your news, let's say your blogs. So WordPress has it inbuilt. You don't need to do anything or customize anything. Just go post, posts. We shall see all that. The WordPress community offers support. WordPress has a lot of people using it, and we have a great number of a community people who use WordPress. So in case you need on help, you can easily get help in WordPress. Okay, I think for that, let's go with that. So these are some of the reasons as to why we decided to use WordPress, not any other plugin, or sorry, not any other CMS like Mangeto or Drupal or Joomla. Though mostly we have WordPress, Drupal, Joomla. Let me try to see the ranking. CMS rankings. Okay, CMS builder. And first put maybe website builders rankings. Okay, we are going to see we have HubSpot. This one not normally used, but I think you can see you have WordPress is here, but I don't think this is a good ranking. But just know WordPress is commonly used. It is a free source. It is for free. You can customize you can make a website for free using this content management system. So what do we need? Okay, what do we need to have a WordPress site? Of course, you will need to connect to WordPress. For the beginning, we shall be using offline development. So what we shall need, we shall first of all need WordPress. But to get WordPress, shall download WordPress is wordpress.org. Sorry, go to wordpress.org to get WordPress. Then we shall need a server. Okay, we shall need a server. I think you can see WordPress, we are now celebrating 20 years. You will need a server. What is a server? This is a space or where we shall be hosting our files or our website files, where we shall be keeping them. Okay, so for our case, we shall not use online hosting. Online hosting, you need to pay some money, and for now we are not ready to maybe pay some money. At the end, we shall see how to do that. We are doing it for free. So we shall get a software to help us to keep our files or to host our files, and we shall use XAMPP. So when you go to Google and we type in XAMPP, you are going to see it here. I know some of you may be using WAMP, but it's the same. Okay, it's the same. For those using WAMP, it's the same. We have very many WAMP servers. Okay, I think you can see, but the mostly common used is XAMPP. So you come and download. Let's download quickly. You come and click here on download. Okay, so after that your file should start downloading. You'll be seeing it here. It should start downloading. I think you can see it's here downloading, but for my case I already have it, so there is no need for me to download here. Okay, I know we are moving very fast, but as we continue you will understand everything. So let's download our XAMPP. Okay, then we also come here on wordpress.org and we say get WordPress. Okay, so after that you come here, you say download WordPress. It will start downloading. Let me download it. because I don't have it. Okay, now after downloading, this is now our WordPress file. Okay, that is our WordPress file. I wanted this to take around 20 minutes. Let it take around 20 minutes. Okay, now this is a WordPress file. You already have XAMPP. So what we are going to do, you are going to click on XAMPP. Okay, all you need to do is click next, then it will install. Okay, since I have XAMPP, I will not need to install it. I already have it installed. Now when I try to search for XAMPP, you see that I already have it. So for today let's stop our class here. So make sure we shall be dropping another video soon. Make sure you have already installed XAMPP and then you downloaded our WordPress file from wordpress.org. We shall be explaining more on our next video. So make sure you have XAMPP installed, and when you search for XAMPP you can see it here, XAMPP control panel, and then make sure you have such a screen before you watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Please can subscribe, like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you also comment down below how the lessons are, how the video was, and I'll be able to reply. Maybe if you need help, you please be able to comment below. I'll check it up and I will get a reply. Thank you so much.